hope that works. You have plotted your vessel's course, and a couple of those are being plotted back, so just make sure you've got enough to plot to measure 1.6 basically astern of you. The first thing to do is to measure those off on your course line. So for Alpha Rats, the intercept needs to be run on 0.8. Achernar 0.4, and that's back. And Nunki 1.6 back. So all you've done is set up your plotting sheet so that you can compensate for the time differences here. Is everyone at that position now? For Alpha Rats, you have an azimuth of 027, you have an intercept of 2.5 towards, so we know that for Alpha Rats we're going to have to plot along that 027 azimuth line when we measure off the intercept. Had it been away, we'd obviously be going along the reciprocal, but in this case for Alpha Rats we measure off 027, transfer it to that position on the line and draw the 2.5 mile intercept. And the position line runs at 90 degrees to that azimuth. So from 117 to 297. And remember that you're measuring that through the centre of your radar plotting sheet before transferring it to the end of that intercept, the ITP. And because you've shifted that position line slightly to compensate for the time difference, double arrowheads. You can do the same now for Achernar. An azimuth of 148.5. This time the intercept is away, 0.4 away. So we measure off 148.5. We move it to the run back position for Achernar, but instead of plotting the intercept along the azimuth, we're going to take it off in the opposite direction. and it's going to be 0.4 miles long. So roughly there. And the position line for this body is 058.5 to 238.5. Running at right angles to the azimuth. And again, double arrowheads because we've shifted that position line. Finally, Nunkey has an azimuth of 253.5 and an intercept of 4.2 away. So we measure 253.5 and instead of plotting it towards in the direction of the azimuth, we have to plot it away, so we plot it along the reciprocal, and it's 4.2. Position line 163.5 to 343.5. That gives us a very good fix in this position here where the three position lines intersect. Just take care not to confuse your intercepts with position lines.